So in this video, we're gonna be talking about Aurora's downgrade. I know, people only want me to put out good, positive news, but I'm doing both. Right now, Aurora is under heavy, uh, negative sentiment, and I would honestly, I would not gamble for the stock to move to the upside. I would gamble that the entire industry is going to make another leg down lower. We're gonna see sales that are, you know, in a wider streams that we didn't think would be possible. It's coming. I think there's going to be another wave of. I think the stock prices are going to go down even further. But again, this is my opinion. So if you guys think that the entire industry is gonna rally, then that's your choice. But I think that it's going to go down further. Uh, so in this news report, the news prompted a round of price cuts as analysts retaliates the sell rating on the stock. The bad news for retail investors, those who are enthusiasts for Aurora stock, made it the most widely held stock on the trading platform Robinhood last year before a major sell-off in the cannabis, MJ sector. So, yeah, I still think that there's a lot of Robinhood shareholders, but Robinhood shareholders are like very tiny. They'll put in like maybe buy 10 shares or 100 shares or 1,000 shares. They're not going to buy in the tens of hundreds of thousands of shares. So that is a negative factor right there. Because I don't think Robinhood shareholders are going to bring up Aurora stock. I think the big money will bring up Aurora stock, and big money wants to stay away from the stock right now. At least that's my opinion, until there's some positive catalyst like increased sales internationally or a positive earnings report. But from what Aurora guided, it seems that positive earnings report is not going to come until the back half of the year. But again, that may not even happen too. But I'm optimistic on the back half. I think that right now is not a good time for Aurora. But we'll see though. We'll see. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe Aurora will pop to the upside. Who knows? We'll see. But we struggle to find value for our current equity holders, and we are reducing our target price to $1 Canadian, continuing with our sell rating, the analyst wrote in a Friday note to clients. MKM analyst book. You know what? I'm not going to read the rest of this. Only this one analyst is reducing it to $1. But overall, every single bank out there is downgrading Aurora every day. It's like kind of like the Tesla movement. When Tesla was down, everybody was downgrading Tesla lower and lower and lower. And when Tesla skyrocketed, everyone was upgrading Tesla higher and higher and higher. So I don't think these analysts really have any kind of effect on people. It's more of the news and the business. But right now, I think it's just from listening to Aurora, I think that for the next 3 months, there's going to be some massive pressure on the market, and I think these stocks are going to continue to sell off. But again, this is my opinion. I could be wrong, and Canopy could come up with some amazing earnings, and then all these stocks will rally. If Canopy comes up with an amazing earnings, I think Aurora could go back to $3 Canadian. But who knows? We'll see though. We'll see if that happens. But right now, there's a lot of pressure in the MJ sector. Moving forward, yes, Aurora stock today down 15%. It must be, you guys, longs must be so heartbroken. And right now, the stock is in danger zone. Because like if we look at the stock chart today, there was so first of all, it crashed, and then it rallied, and then after that, it just faded, and then after that it just flatlined all day long. That means that there is nobody interested in pumping up the stock, and yeah, that's what I'm thinking. But we'll see. Right now it's just not looking good. Aurora also traded on pretty decent heavy volume too, and on the Canadian side it's $2.26. If it was to drop to $1 Canadian, then on the US side that would be 75 cents US, or even lower, maybe even 65 cents US. So you guys could significantly lose another 100% of your money if you gambled that Aurora's not going to go down any further, and you see you're long on it. But that's what I'm saying. Like, I think that there's a possibility if you hold on, there's a possibility you could lose 100% of 50% of what you currently hold, because if it drops to below $1 US, like 75 cents US, that is another 50% of your money. So if you had $100,000 right now in Aurora, that's $50,000 if it goes down to 85 cents. It creates a buying opportunity for people who have cash, but longs are going to hurt so bad if the stock goes down to 85 cents, which I think is a possibility. I'm not saying that it will happen. I'm saying it's a possibility. So yeah, I think Canopy, when they report earnings, the stock's gonna go down even further. I think we're gonna break this. I honestly think we're gonna break this low of 1422. But again, this is my opinion, so I don't know exactly for sure if that's gonna happen. What the hell? Okay, I'm not sure for sure that's gonna happen. This is just my assumption. So yeah. Anyways, I think Afria, if Aurora moves down, Afria is gonna move down. I think Afria is gonna break $4.22. I think Afria is gonna make it to brand new lows of below 382. But again, this is my opinion. So not advice to anyone, just simply my opinion that Afria could go down even further. Tilray will I honestly believe that Aurora should have a higher market cap than Tilray. So I think in the future we could see Tilray at a new low of $10 or even lower than that. Who knows? We'll see. Liberal Health Science, they were profitable. Everything is good about the company, yet their stock price is still going down. It's kind of weird, but that's the way it is. The market today, looks like I don't have everything up. So the market today is red. Gold is up because the market is down. Oil is down. Oil does represent a pretty good opportunity, and I think CHAP would, if you think oil is going to bounce hard, CHAP would be a good trade, because CHAP will move up with oil. If oil skyrockets, CHAP will skyrocket with it. At least that's my opinion. Chesapeake Energy, I would definitely stay with this, because there's a possibility of a reverse split coming up in the near future, and I do not want to be in a reverse split. Beyond Meat is down 4 cents. It had a nice rally today. Tesla, just traded sideways all day today. Consolidation. Don't know where it's gonna move. It could continue to ramp and make new highs, or we could see it go all the way down to $600. I think Tesla is a very heavily news-driven company. So if positive news comes out for Tesla, I think stock will go up. If negative news comes out for Tesla, the stock will go down. That's my opinion. NEO had a big correction today of 27 cents. Could be an opportunity, but it could also go down further. I say if there's a gap to fill between 242 and 372, I think that the stock price will get back down to 242 eventually. But again, that's my opinion. Disney is down 2 cents. I think Disney is going to go down further. If Disney doesn't go up, it will go down. That's how the market works. They don't. It's like, it doesn't flatline for a very long time. Eventually the stock will either go up or down. Apple follows the market. The market was red today, so Apple is red today. Slang Technology is down to 34 cents. Acreage Holdings down 5.55. I would definitely stay away from Acreage. I think Acreage is going back to its low of I guess is like, I don't know, $4.15. I think that's a possibility. If it goes down to the low $4, I would say I would be more optimistic and say that it would be, you know, an opportunity. But at the moment, because of Canopy, I still think that Acreage could go down there again. Who knows? We'll see. Suncor is, you know, if we look at the chart, it just looks terrible. It just looks like it's downtrending, but this creates an opportunity, especially if you believe in the company. You can make, if you buy right here and the stock goes back to $45, that is at least a 10% return on investment, and they pay a dividend. So if you think oil is going to go up, Suncor could be a safe oil investment. I don't know. Bitcoin is still bullish. Hive today had a nice day. It was up 3 cents. It was up higher earlier in the day. It was almost up 32 cents. But at least I have an investment that is making me money right now, because the cannabis space is not, or the MJ sector is not. Let's see what Harv is doing. Harv stock is, looks neutral to me. Kind of just traded sideways today. Kira probably had an ugly day. Man probably an ugly day. Well, not too bad. Vero, what an ugly day for Vero. Slang is down a penny. Yeah, no, that's, I don't know. That's, Cresco. What's Cresco doing? Cresco Labs down 40 cents a day, 5.31%. This could be an opportunity, or we could see the stock go down to $6 Canadian, which would definitely make it an opportunity. So it all depends on what you think about this company. But like at the moment, I would stay away from MJ sector, but this is just my opinion. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.